Hey, my name is Liam Martin and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the first video of many, and I just wanted to kick it off by first talking about who I am, what this channel is going to be all about, as well as why I made this channel in the first place. I think that it was about 2 months ago, April, May 2020-ish, when I first started thinking about making YouTube videos, and I started brainstorming ideas on what I want to talk about, and after a lot of excitement, a little bit of doubt, and an overwhelming amount of passion, here I am. Here to make videos for people about things that have personally helped me progress in life. I want to cover topics like self-improvement, organization, documenting, and maybe a little bit of business or other topics as well. And I want to do it in a way where it's both easy to understand, but most importantly for me, I want to do it in a way where it's easy to implement or try out in your life and to really gain something from it. And I think I'm really excited. I know I'm really excited to put myself out there for YouTube, and I just sort of want to see where it goes. Just like with Tinder this past year. I wanted to see where it would go, but with YouTube, I don't plan on quitting after a few months. A few quick things about me. I'm currently 23 years old and I'm Canadian. I have a huge passion for running businesses or just being self-employed in general, whether that be the window cleaning company that I ran for a couple of years or being a YouTuber. I love the idea of just being your own boss and really working hard towards something that you're personally really passionate about. A couple quick fun facts about me is that I want 10 kids. Yes, you heard that right. I want 10 kids. And I've never had coffee before. Those are two fun facts, and we're going to leave it at that before the fun facts become too fun. Another thing is that I document the crap out of my life on a daily basis as well as a weekly basis. For example, from the food that I eat in a day to the weekly life vlogs that I do every single week where I talk about my life in front of a video camera for my future family, videos that I never intend on making public to anybody, even to my family, for another 10 to 20 years. And I've been doing that for 5 years of my life so far. I also want to talk about what to expect from this channel. I plan on making self-improvement videos, as I said earlier, specifically talking about things like how to organize your life, how to pursue fulfillment, how to increase your self-awareness, things like that have been personally really important and beneficial for me. I also plan on doing skill development videos as well as like 30-day trial or 30-day challenge videos where I try something new and I document the whole process. I really like the whole idea of self-improvement as well as skill development videos specifically because there are channels that I watch that do that, channels like Better Ideas or Mike Boyd, for example, that I super recommend. And I want to do these videos because I personally have a very curious mind and I love to optimize my life in a lot of different ways, from my leisure time to how I do my work schedule every single day. And I want to share that stuff with you guys because I think there's a lot to get out of it. Something important to me is authenticity, as well as sort of like breaking the fourth wall or peeking behind the curtains a bit. I really like the idea of YouTubers who explain what they do in their day-to-day or how they make it a video, for example. And to do that right here in this moment, I have a mic right here, I have my script right here, which again isn't word for word, it's more just a guideline for what I want to say in this video, what I've prepared for weeks now to say in this first video. I have lights here, I have my parents upstairs listening to me repeat myself over and over again because I'm very stubborn and I want to get this right. Another thing for this channel is I want it to be something that you can get the most out of, and I want it to be a place for an open discussion at all times. I don't ever plan on calling a negative criticism hate just because it's something that's negative. I think that there's a lot that you can get out of someone commenting something negative about your channel, and I think a lot of times it's because someone wants to see your channel become better. So I don't ever plan on calling those comments hate unless they are genuinely for hateful reasons, in which then I just won't spend any time on it. There's a lot of get-rich-quick content online, whether it be a self-help guru telling you that you can change your life dramatically tomorrow with these 3 steps, or literally a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of those can seem intriguing at first glance. I know I've seen a lot of them that seem really interesting, and they can, at the end of the day, be a huge waste of money, a huge waste of time, and most of them never get you anywhere. And 1,000 times over, 1,000,000 times over, I would rather be a smaller channel that focuses on lasting change for you guys over being a clickbaity channel that tells you really interesting things that you want to hear but might not necessarily be true. Anyways, I think it's the perfect time sincerely to start this channel because for me, it's June 2020, I'm still in self-isolation mode, and I have a lot of time outside of my full-time job to work on something like this, but also for you guys because there's a lot to learn from failure and hard times. And for me, a year ago, I was still in a horrible mental rut, probably the worst mental rut of my life, and it lasted 2 years straight. And I finally got out of it over this past year. I've learned a lot from that experience, and I plan on sharing a lot of that stuff with you guys on this channel. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I really do. It's been a lot of fun for me to make this first video, and I hope to see you in the next one. As for props, as well as location for filming, I think this is going to be one of the main areas that I film. I really like the look of the bar and the blue background and the props. I like the globe here as well as my ocarina. I am a huge fan of Legend of Zelda, Lord of the Rings, things like that, so I'll probably have that there. Let me know what you guys think though in the comments below. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe. It tells the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to more people, so I'd really appreciate it because it would help this channel. And I'll see you guys later.